Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shines and big adventures start. Today the letter C is the letter of the day spotlight. C is for coat. Coats have been keeping people warm for centuries. From simple animal hides to today's fashionable, insulated designs, they're a perfect blend of function and style to battle the cold. C is for car. Did you know that the first automobile was invented over 130 years ago by Carl Benz? Today's cars come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, making travel both fun and stylish. C is for cupcake. Cupcakes were once known as number cakes because they were sold in numbered portions. They're the perfect little treat that you can easily share with friends. C is for cow. Cows are surprisingly social. They often form close friendships with one another, and studies have shown that they can even become stressed when separated from their best pals. C is for cat. Cats are masters of balance and agility. They have a unique riding reflex that helps them twist their bodies mid-air to land on their feet, no matter how they fall. What is your favorite C word? Let's practice making the letter C. Place your finger at the top of the screen. Imagine you're at the top of a big smile. Slowly move your finger downward and to the right, following a gentle curve like the outside of a circle. Try to keep your line smooth and even. Continue the curve until you reach the bottom. You've just created a big, open C shape. Practice makes perfect. Try drawing the letter C on your own. Parent, here are the instructions on how to help your child write the letter C. Using these steps, your child can visualize and replicate the proper stroke order for the uppercase C. Happy writing!